Hello and welcome to the presentation of our papAI cleaning module. We will start by creating a new project for our demo. Let's call it Titanic, since we are going to use the infamous Titanic dataset. We add a description and we use file system as persistency option. We start our flow by creating a new dataset. We import the Titanic data as a CSV file. We can now see a preview of our dataset, then we confirm the creation. The new dataset is created, we can start our cleaning journey. papAI proposes a number of different cleaning operations. Let's try some of the frequently used ones. The formula edition allows us to do some computation on our columns. Let's sum the sibling spouses column with the parent children one, calling the output column family. As we can see, the new column is added to the dataset. Various other operators and functions are also proposed. The second operation we're showing here is a simple one, column rename. We choose a column and enter the new name. If you decide to drop a column, this is where you do it. It will disappear from the dataset. The filter row operation allows us to choose rows with particular value in them. In this example, we only keep the rows where the embarked column has the value S. Extract is another interesting operation. We can extract using regular expression or simply using some separators. Let's try the separator option. And let's say we want to separate the content of the column cabin because there are some rows with 3 cabins. We select the column cabin, set the separator as white space, and we want 3 columns as a result: cabin 1, cabin 2, and cabin 3. The result is the creation of 3 columns. Cabin 1 includes the string before the first white place. Cabin 2, the string after the first white place and before the second. And cabin 3 contains the string after the last white place. Now, if you are familiar with regex, here's an example. Let's say we want to extract the title information from the name column. Titles are strings such as Mr., Miss, etc. We select the column name, write down the regular expression and the output column name. As you can see, here is the new title column with the extracted information. Now we finally deal with the missing values. Let's choose a column with some missing values, like the age, for example. We have 3 options: fill forward and fill backwards, mainly used for time series, and replace with. Median seems like a safe bet. Now all null values are replaced by 28. There's a lot more cleaning operation that papAI offers. We hope you take the time to explore them all. For now, let's click on save and run. And let's go back to the flow. As we can see, a new dataset has been created with no missing value in column age and with the new columns family, cabin 1, cabin 2, cabin 3, and title. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about our data cleaning module or to have a full demo of our papAI platform, feel free to contact us.